I thought a good little afternoon project was to just take out that Lazy Susan. Okay, turns out this isn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. Is any project? Okay, first, let's get this bar out of here. Always got to start with the hammer. See what you can get done. So this Lazy Susan, I believe, was installed before the cabinets were done. It just is a pain in the butt. Nothing ever works in there. But we do have to get this metal bar out, so I thought, what else than the hand grinder with a metal cutoff blade. The sparks were a little much for my kitchen. It was a little much. I was getting a little nervous with the outlets and, I don't know, all the stuff and animals. And then it started getting hot. But now I was so far deep into this project that it wasn't even a project. I came in from work and was just kind of looking around and opened up that, and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I should reorganize this. 6 hours later, I have my whole kitchen torn apart, and it's filthy, and but I'm gonna get this thing out if it is the last thing I do today. That's what I told myself. That little thing was a little bugger. All right, now for this wood. There's no way that went in there in one piece. They built this stupid cabinet around this Lazy Susan, but I'm gonna cut it out until I realize that I'm hitting a big piece of metal underneath. That's actually the turny part. Oh boy. Okay, I think if I could go back in time, I would not have opened that cabinet today, and I would just have ignored it, and it wouldn't have bothered me. And then I could just tackle something else. I'm gonna get this thing out of here. It's gotta come out in pieces. I really just wanted to take a sledgehammer to everything. That's demolition is usually my favorite, and I was trying to be delicate, but here we go. What a mess. Look at those little balls. But in the end, turned out beautiful. Please support my channel and subscribe.